This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a signature to your doc in Google Docs. Here I have a fictional letter, and let's suppose I want to add my signature here. This is what you do. You go to the Insert menu, then you select Drawing, then you select New. Once this drawing panel opens, you want to look for this line, select the arrow, and then select Scribble. This will allow you to create the kind of shapes or whatever that you want. And in this case, we're making a signature. So I'm just going to write the name Bob. I'm using a mouse, so I know this is not pretty, but for the purposes of this video, we are good. After you have created your signature, you can select this arrow, which will allow you to select your drawing and then play around with the weight of the lines and things like that. So if you want the lines to be thicker, you would go here to line weight and adjust it to your preferences. Once you have finished that, select Save and Close, and now your signature will appear where you last left that cursor. If you want to resize your signature, you can do that by clicking on the image and then adjusting it to your preferred size. Again, this might work better on a trackpad as opposed to a mouse, but for the purposes of this video, now you know how to add a signature to a document in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.